Why day trading is the fastest way to go broke. Seriously, stop what you're doing for a second. Put your phone down, step away from the triple monitor setup that makes you look like a NASA scientist but performs like a blindfolded gambler, and look at your hands. Are they trembling? Are they sweating because you just got liquidated on a 1-minute fake-out candle while you were busy bragging on Twitter? Or are you feeling like an absolute god, a Wall Street titan, simply because you made a few $100 on a lucky scalp while eating a bowl of lukewarm ramen? In 2026, the reality is colder than a crypto winter in the middle of a fiat collapse. If you still have the day trader mindset, chasing green candles, staring at 15-minute charts like they're the secrets to the universe, and hoping for a quick flip to pay off your mounting credit card debt, you aren't an investor. You are a philanthropist of greed. You are a volunteer worker for the global elite, generously donating your hard-earned capital, your sleep, and your sanity to the exchanges, the market makers, and the high-frequency trading bots. 90% of you are destined to lose every single cent you've ever touched, and the other 10% are just waiting for their turn in the shredder. Why? Because you're trying to surf on an ocean where the house has already installed massive underwater magnets to suck the coins right out of your pockets before you even hit the water. Let's expose the financial cemetery of day traders and why your strategy is actually a suicide note for your net worth. I'm not talking to you from some ivory tower of perfection. I used to be a gold medal sprinter in the Gamblers Olympics. I remember when I first jumped into this market, I was obsessed with flickering red and green lights like a moth to a bug zapper that was clearly marked death. I stayed up all night, eyes bloodshot, heart hammering against my ribs so hard I thought I was having a permanent medical emergency, all while waiting for a golden cross or some RSI divergence to tell me I was a genius. I prided myself on my technical analysis. I drew lines, triangles, and Fibonacci retracements all over my screen until it looked like a toddler's abstract art project or a map of a schizophrenic's dream. Every time I made a small, pathetic profit, I'd go out for an expensive steak dinner, telling anyone who would listen that I had mastered the game. And you want to know the result? After a year of surfing the waves until my keyboard was worn down and my relationships were in tatters, I did a brutal audit and realized a sickening, gut-wrenching truth. The total amount I had made wasn't even enough to cover my trading fees, my electricity bill, the takeout food I ordered because I was too stressed to cook, and the eye drops I needed to stay awake during the Asian market open. Then came the midnight flush, a single 3-second price wick calculated by an AI bot in a server farm 5 miles under a mountain liquidated my 100% surefire trade while I was in the kitchen getting a glass of water. I realized then that I wasn't a wolf. I was a sheep trying to dance on a butcher's knife. Most of us trade because we think we're faster than the computer. But in reality, we are just trading our life force for table crumbs while the house laughs all the way to their private islands. Let's look at the macro horror show of 2026. Who are you actually fighting when you click that buy button? You're holding a $1,200 smartphone trying to outsmart a server farm located 3 feet away from the exchange's main switch. You're fighting AI algorithms that can process 1 million trades in the time it takes you to blink once. These bots don't have feelings. They don't have rent to pay. They don't get FOMO. They are programmed to find exactly where your stop loss is and eat it for breakfast. You think your gut feeling or that YouTube guru you follow can beat a machine that has digested every trading book ever written in 6 seconds? Seriously, wake up. Day trading is nothing but a dopamine trap designed by behavioral psychologists to harvest your ego and your paycheck. Every time you win a small trade, your brain releases a hit of dopamine that makes you feel like a king. That's exactly when you get cocky. That's when you increase the leverage from 5x to 50x. That's when you think you're untouchable. But the math is relentless. One single loss with high leverage will eventually wipe out the gains of 100 wins. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. You're running a marathon on a treadmill that's moving backward at the speed of light. In the world of day trading, you aren't the player. You are the fuel that keeps the centralized financial machine running smoothly. You are the liquidity they need to fill their massive orders. Let's talk about Mark, a guy who believed that swing trading was his ticket out of the 9-to-5 grind he despised. Mark spent 12 hours a day staring at charts, following signal groups on Telegram that were probably run by the very bots he was trading against. He listened to gurus who sold him $5,000 courses on how to find the perfect entry using some secret indicator. Mark won a few battles, got high on his own supply, and started borrowing against his credit cards and his 401k to go big. He thought he was one trade away from retirement. The result? Mark lost his house. His wife left him because he was a ghost even when he was sitting at the dinner table, and his family stopped taking his calls because every conversation ended with him asking for a temporary loan. But look at Claire, a person Mark used to mock for being financially boring and stuck in the past. Claire doesn't know how to read a candle. She couldn't tell you the difference between a Bollinger Band and a hairband. Claire did one simple, boring, incredibly powerful thing. Every month, the second her salary hit her account, she took a portion, bought Bitcoin, and immediately moved it to a cold storage wallet. She treated Bitcoin as a seed for the future, not a chip at a casino. In 2026, while Mark is drowning in debt from fake-outs, liquidity grabs, and short squeezes, Claire is sitting on a mountain of generational wealth. She isn't stressed, she isn't checking her phone every 5 minutes, she's living her life while her wealth grows in the background. Here is the real drama. The exchanges and the market manipulators absolutely love people like Mark. Why? Because Mark creates fees. Mark creates volume. Mark provides the volatility they need to profit. Mark is always ready to hand over his Bitcoin every time they shake the market. But they absolutely hate people like Claire. Why? Because Claire is a sovereign ghost. They can't collect fees from her because she doesn't trade. They can't trick her into selling her seed because she doesn't watch the 1-minute charts. They can't control her future because she's outside their loop. Do you want to be the sheep being sheared every Tuesday morning by a 25-year-old developer in the Bahamas? Or do you want to be the person who owns the farm? The financial media and the trading apps want you to believe that investing has to be exciting, fast-paced, and high-frequency. They make the apps look like video games with bright colors and confetti when you make a trade. Why? Because if you just sat still like Claire, how would they fund their billion-dollar skyscraper offices in Manhattan? How would the experts sell you their news subscriptions and their pro tools? They need you active. They need you clicking. They need you losing just enough to keep you coming back for one more try. In 2026, Bitcoin is the only asset on the planet with the DNA of absolute scarcity. It is the only seed in a forest full of rocks like junk altcoins, leverage trap tokens, and worthless trading signals. Bitcoin doesn't need you to stay up all night babysitting the price. It doesn't need you to be a pro. It only requires one thing from you: the discipline to stay still. Stop trading your life's work for rocks, short-term trades, and then acting shocked when they don't produce fruit. You need an asset that you actually own and understand, not a digital number on an exchange that can vanish the moment the CEO decides to pause withdrawals or the engine goes under maintenance during a massive pump. True wealth isn't about how much money you can make in a 24-hour cycle while your cortisol levels are through the roof. It's about how much money you can keep and how much free time you have to enjoy your existence. Day trading steals both from you. Inspirational coach, empowering and uplifting with a steady, reassuring voice. It erodes your capital through fees, taxes, and inevitable mistakes, and it steals your health, your sleep, your hair, and your presence with the people who actually matter. The wise individuals of 2026 are the ones who have the courage to stand still while the waves are crashing. They choose Bitcoin because they understand that time in the market is infinitely more valuable than timing the market. When you own Bitcoin and hold it for the long term, you move from a world of gambling and permission to a world of mathematical sovereignty. You are no longer a slave to the candle, the news cycle, or the predictions of a self-proclaimed expert who makes more money selling courses than actually trading. So, right after this video, do a reality audit. I mean it, open a spreadsheet. Total up all the money you've made from trading over the last year. Subtract the exchange fees, subtract the network fees, subtract the taxes you owe, and most importantly, subtract the hourly value of the thousands of hours you've spent staring at a glowing screen instead of building a business, learning a skill, or being with your family. If the result is negative, empowering and uplifting with a steady, reassuring voice. If the result is negative, or even just a tiny positive that wouldn't buy you a used car, then congratulations! You've just realized you're an unpaid intern for a billionaire exchange owner. Don't be the next name on a tombstone in the day trader's cemetery. Join the Future Freedom 360 community. Learn to invest like a sovereign owner, not a desperate gambler. Learn to plant the Bitcoin seed and let time do the heavy lifting for you, instead of you trying to be the engine for time. Stop being a voluntary victim. Did this video hit a nerve? Did it make you realize you've been a liquidity provider for the very people you're trying to beat? If it did, hit that like button, share this with your friends who are currently chasing the pump in a Telegram group, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's stop trading our lives away and start building real, unshakable freedom. This is Future Freedom 360. Keep your head cold, your hands steady, and don't let the waves drown your future. Let's build.